If it's your first time to the channel, please click that subscribe button. I know sometimes it feel like it's repetitive for me to be saying to you guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. But guess what? We have to remind you, the viewers.
A little bit of alcohol, I'm fine, you know. It hurt about?
Mm-hmm.
You look swell, mommy, man.
Mm-hmm. Front here, so? The right around here, so swell. That hurt me painful, man. Arthritis, you know? Arthritis. And my son, you see you loving to me? As someone when you find your woman, you're loving to her same way. And when you get your children, them, because I need a lot of grandchildren, you know.
Mommy,
I need you to love into your children. You
mommy,
understand?
mommy. Let me tell you this. There's no female in this world that can take away love when I have for you. Yeah? So don't even compare yourself with nobody. This I love you, I feel you. Then we get it, you know. But me love you more than how me than love them. I tell you that.
My son,
Nothing. Number that thing, not even if they have money, nothing at all, mommy, cannot separate me and you. I tell you that. When me and my woman, we might not live with her still, but it still remains. I love you, mommy. I love you.
feel a little bit better than how you did feel before. Thank you, my son.
We'll buy one back of alcohol. You alright?
Yes,
So we have to eat.
some Irish and vegetable. Me okay with that. And little juice.
What the doctor say to eat?
But it not enough it too salty.
Alright, now I'll put on something. Call me from here.
Alright.
So what go on, girl?
Girl, me there just a take it easy, you know.
Cause me see a long time me not see you.
Work have me away, my friend. Now have time for road again.
She can't look on work give me too. Cause
Why?
I want something to do.
What you mean when we ask so when me there right now they want be a females.
So what kind of work you do so?
Girl, me I work at a massage parlor.
So we do a massage parlor, so what kind of work?
Escort service.
That no sound right.
Girl, I don't know man. Pick up no pick sense out of nonsense.
I'm not too sure about that cause me have my man, you know. And I think you might make me go work on them little trail there with you.
But watch you know, look for my man. When me get my money and me go up, you know, and me and him a spend out tight, you know. And plus, a private area, and I like it outside.
So nobody now go see me and know what me I do.
No girl, private area.
Cause me and my man live on a rough patch and one in too heavy. So me don't really want to work. But me have to make up something tell him. Me have to make up something tell him. Me can't tell him but me have to go on a escort service or done the relationship done.
Watch on a man, tell him say the restaurant you go or some other. Just make up something. Just make up something and tell him. And they really want females in a girl.
And then pay good money.
Yeah, what? A good money me I tell about friend. Good money.
I go tell a lie then. I go make up a lie and see. I don't feel comfortable, you know, but I will want the money.
So watch on that, you know my number.
I'm not sign nobody last, you know. Put it back in.
Alright.
Alright. So if anything, we just call you. I'll make you know.
Yeah,
You
man.
call
Make
me.
sure you call me, you know.
Yes, and you call
Make
me.
sure you call me, girl.
Alright. Later.
Yeah, yeah.
No one and only.
You know, so me just book Pinky every road,
Mm.
and she can't hook me up on a one work.
I want work. What kind of work that?
I want a restaurant work, be.
Me never go work in a restaurant. As a matter of fact, how far and which part of the restaurant is it?
You know, see a nigga do?
Knee grill?
Be no better than they know. It told me they are struggling with hungry and some more while. And she have some of it put me up. And what me I do at work. I mean, I pay no bills there and we come down when time we can.
You not pay no bill down there? Hmm?
No, she rent her one place.
She rent her one place.
Yes.
And you sure say I want she?
Yes, be.
And you sure say I pinky, you see?
Yes, when me da lie to you. Me love you, you know. And you know me da never do nothing for hurt you. I just feel better off for me and your life. Because nothing not to go on there so.
Well, me understand what you say. You know, cause really and truly, you rough down yourself for true. And if you're gonna make it better for me and you, there's nothing I can say but go and do your thing. But you have to contact me every step of the way. You understand?
Yes.
As you reach, you call. As you I go and walk you.
Call.
Anywhere you go, you.
Call.
So everything. When you go bed, call.
You have to call me and show you that.
Yeah, cause me have to see. I want to see.
So,
See me thing
that
is.
mean we can go?
Yeah, man, you can go. You get my permission, man.
Alright then.
Alright?
Yeah. So me I go leave. Me I go
Until
leave.
you left?
No, be. Me I go leave tomorrow, but me I go call her and tell her say me I go come. Come tell her say me I go confirm me with you first if me gonna go.
Alright, go be and come, cause we have to go. You know,
Alright.
you have to get as much. Yeah?
Alright then.
Boy.
Girl. He agree say yes we can come. Me go come down tomorrow morning. Alright.
Okay. You know no belt.
The last belt we did have, your father died with it in our waist. And I don't buy another belt from that day until now.
Don't know. I'm kinda run late too, you know.
Why you never press your clothes? Your clothes crush up.
The first man, but I throw me drop asleep and I put on my clothes and they drop asleep. So me all run late too. Drop asleep. I'm coming late this morning, you know. Hotel business and I can't manage it more. God no. Just want sort out some money and just left France, literally just left the hotel business. No work out. Too much long hours, mommy, me I tell you.
Alright.
And then me can't collect no tip.
Okay.
No, just trust.
Just sit down. Sit down. Me understand about the work problem. Them not pay good. And you under stress. And the heap of work, me know say you're tired when you come home. But don't worry yourself, my son. God will provide. But you know what? I'm proud of you. Me proud of you how you come up and you have ambition too. You grew up with a lot of ambition. You come out better than some of your friends them. Because all the other day me dey pass. And me see your friend Jonathan underneath the place and me can't believe saying they smoke.
Yeah, a long time I even see them boy, you know. I don't really feel like that.
Are your friend? Remember say you and him go to same school. Same class.
Yeah, mommy, me understand, but when you go to school and when you left school are two different things. 'Cause when you come out now and you're going to work and reality lick you, you start to say, oh, some friend thing and not really make no sense. 'Cause yeah, me have to try to make some money, you know, and We link up if we see each other, we link up heal each other, yes, but I just say that.
That is true. I'm proud of you anyway. I'm happy if you know say me did really bring you and me never dash you away because I don't know what I would do without you. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, remember to fill the prescription for me because I need the medication. Remember say me sick bad.
Me have them months, me have them now. So me have to go fill them before I go because I now come off so too late tonight and by the time I left work, the pharmacy probably lock already.
Okay. Me need you to get a girlfriend. And a nice, decent girl. Me no mean no old streggy or no ghetto girl. Remember say me sick and I need somebody who very ambitious and will take care of you. And me need you to take care of she just the way how I take care of you and you take care of me. I need a lot of grandchildren. It is time now. So make sure you get a girl. Bring her come to me and make me see her. I can't wait for you to have one girlfriend.
Mommy, you say mother no man I know. Me can't deal with them. Then different. I'm a old school kind of guy. Like the old school woman them. Them mother no man, them way of thinking, me can't deal with it. They not ready for no future relationship or no building a no empire or no. Them just want to go put on this and fast this and fast that. I can't deal with that. I need someone who's responsible and know what they want. Big woman.
That is true.
Yeah, big woman.
I understand you, but I hope you pick the right person. Choose the right person, my son.
Mommy, me not really rush nothing still. Me not tell no lie. Me really not rush nothing cause you know that girl that broke me heart really though. Man. She broke me heart. She mashed up my meds like literally. I'm about a year now. Me actually single and me have to give myself time right now to actually go in a serious relationship. Me not rush nothing. That no, really not rush nothing. If somebody come and serious, then fine. But show me say you're serious. You can't manage it by talking either. Nobody come to me with them talking. If you're not serious, don't talk to me.
Okay, I understand, but you are run late. Go on a work.
Alright, shit. Oh, I should know better, man.
I love you too.
Oh, me look.
You look alright, you know.
Alright, later. Love you, mommy.
Love you too.
Yes. Yeah, man, remember it. What's your name? What's your name?
Shay,
Where you from?
why you wanna know that?
Come on, I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything. It's just that you come out and you look so nice. I'm gonna like get to know you.
I'm a man full of sweet talk, so. Because myself in work, me no want no man, me no want nobody.
Shay. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you. I'm actually running late. I'm just going to get some medication for my mom. And me I try to go work. But I don't want to actually talk to you again actually. Or go on a date with you or something.
Yeah, disturb me fries. It's all I get cool.
Come on, Shay. You're too beautiful for this. I'm not trying to disrespect you or disturb your eating or your fries or your evening. I just want to have a conversation because you seem like a very nice girl. And you know somewhere deep down inside of you, that's not how you really talk to people, but probably you're hungry still.
You're right about that. I am very, very hungry. So I time now if you really attack me.
I'm sorry, but can I have a number?
Hungry reason me give me number is because me new to the area and I want to show up.
Alright, I don't want that to be your only reason. But where you go?
424
424
65
6510.
10. Yes, that is it.
So 424
65
65
10.
10.
Yes.
424 6510. Alright. I'll call you, alright?
No problem.
Alright, enjoy your stay. You too.
Pinky, where are you? Okay, so when you get here, just come in my room, alright? Sure. Come in. Good evening, Pinky. Good evening. Good evening. Bossy, it's our new girl. Okay. So she want to be part-time work. Okay. You can go. Have a seat, please. What's your name?
Shay.
And how old are you?
I'm 23.
Okay, I'm Miss B, the manager of this organization. Did Pinky tell you what this is all about?
Not everything. She just told me some things that it's not really public, it's a private escort, but she didn't tell me anything else.
Okay, so let me inform you what this place is all about. It is a sex workers thing. The men that come here, they are very high profile men, as in they are upstanding men in society. So everything you do with them, it has to be discreet. No pictures allowed, no exchange of names and numbers, etc. You are not supposed to have intimate relationship with them apart from they come, they pay you for sex, and that is it. All right? You do not get close to them any at all. Your pay, as it regards your pay, you are supposed to get a minimum of $10,000 per night.
Per night?
Person.
Oh, okay.
All right? So if you have sex with 5 men for the night, you will multiply $10,000 by the 5
We
men
know
that
about the
you have.
maths, miss.
Okay. And I am supposed to get 5% of what you work, of your total. All right? Okay. Now, the rooms, I provide accommodation and everything for you.
Lunch, breakfast, and dinner?
Exactly. Which is why I charge you 5% of what you earn.
What about the tip?
Yes, you can take tip. And everything you get in the tip, that is yours. I only expect to get my 5% of what you earn. That is a set fee, no more, no less. So yes, your tip is yours, ma'am. And lastly, this. Do you know what this is?
Yes.
Good. So make it your best friend. Always use this, please. Okay? It's better to be safe than sorry. Protection is the key.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
We are you up so late. You can't sleep?
No, so I don't like when you stay up on the road so late, you know. That's
Mommy,
me no want nothing to happen to you.
I should me have to do end up the double, man. Mommy, I'm tired of them something, you know. Nah, tell them, I'm tired of it, man. Like, what's your medication, man? I'm gonna stay up so late, man. Alright. I hustling.
Thank you very much.
Alright, I want to sleep, man. I want to sleep. I'm tired, man. Tired, but I'm hungry, but I have to wait till the morning and wake up and eat. Because if I eat now, I will wake up and feel more.
I'm glad you buy the medication, because hit me go figure ask you if you did buy them. But thank you, my son.
Mommy, you know, so I have your back.
Thank you very
You have my
much.
full support, mommy. You know that. Alright, good night.
Alright.
You okay? I like it.
It's nice, but I want to go on the beach.
Going on the beach. Alright, let's take a walk then. You know, it's been a while. Me have such a great time.
I say, I mean, you know, I really appreciate all of this.
Like, you're so beautiful, and this even makes it more beautiful. Like, to sit down on the beach and actually have a decent walk and a decent conversation. This is nice. And this is sexy, and I'm even getting hot. Like, so hot. Feel like I would take a swim, but anyways, you know what I'm saying? Guess what?
What?
Let's make it even more special. Let's take it to meet my mom.
So soon?
Don't worry about it. It's not soon.
No,
Sooner the
man.
better. Listen, I'm serious about you. I'm really, really serious about you. You know?
I'm not so good with in-laws.
Come on. You won't regret it. Trust me. Trust me. Listen, this would mean so much to her. She would actually love it. She would love it. Trust me. Because she even motivated me to go out and actually get a girlfriend. I mean, you are the one I'm actually happy. Please, just please, listen. Let's go meet her.
I just because of you, me I do this, you know.
We won't take long. Let's just go and come now. Please. Come on.
So take time, maybe.
I am taking my time. I am taking my time. I'm gonna give you a massage and the Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna go get my mommy and come up here.
Alright.
Alright, man. I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
I know you're very picky, but I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Don't worry yourself. Come. Come in.
Alright, my son.
No peeking. Go. No peeking. No peeking. No peeking.
I want to carry a bag for me.
Mommy, you still get a car. I don't reach it, but you didn't tell me, say. But look. Ready? Surprise.
Who is this?
So, mommy, this is Shay. Shay, this is my mommy, my loving mommy. She loves me dearly. I
Nice
do
to
no wrong
meet
in her
you.
eyes.
Nice meeting you too. You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
So, yeah, mommy, we was on the beach and we say, we are going to look for you. This is a surprise, too.
Okay, you can have a seat. Come. Sit right here. So Shay, where are you from?
I'm from Clarendon.
You're from Clarendon.
Yes.
Okay. I'm happy to have you in my family. A long time, my son did want one girlfriend. And me also need some grandchildren. You understand? So, I hope you take care of my son. He's a very nice person.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm going to take care of him. Promise you that.
I never want no kids, but I want kids now. Like her mommy.
Alright. Make sure say wanna live good as a happy family.
We never really come to spend the whole day. I'm just the car come to introduce her. I want a little date with the dep on here. But she alright man, me I really like her man. There's just something about her. I'm just really, 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 really like her. But don't worry yourself man, alright? Alright mommy, so we have to go here.
It was very nice meeting you.
Okay.
Alright mommy,
Take care.
I so come. Yeah? Alright. Mommy, my sweet, sweet mother.
You know, I was wondering if, um, since I really like her, I really, really like her, and I was actually wondering if she could like come and stay with me some of the nights because she work and like on the weekends she day here and she work during the week. She should have just come spend the weekend with me. Um, I don't know. I'm just asking for your approval, mommy. Please, mommy, please. I really like her. She's very nice, and I'm happy. I've never been so happy in my life until I met her.
Okay. She can come. She seems like she's a nice person. And as long as my son is happy, I am happy.
Thank
So you
you.
can bring her.
Yeah! I call her a no! Yeah!
Hello. Come here.
So you can wait till me pass.
Come here, please. Come here.
Good evening. I thought you want me to tell her good evening.
Me not like you. You understand? I do not hate you. Me have children. You understand? But the only reason why you know one me have left, two people me they have and one dead. And the one me have is my son we come there with you. Me no hate you as me said to you before. And if you believe say me hate you, don't even bother think about that because you're wrong. You could have been my daughter. This house belongs to me. And the way how you pass me just like while I step going in my house, like a year one, it is not right. I grow my son and teach him the right way. Say anytime in the past nobody, whether morning, noon or night, he must say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Manners is one of the best thing you can ever have. This is not a joke thing. Me know you're a big woman, but respect due even to the dog. You can't just step past me and go in my house and not even say morning. Like really? Me not understand you. Shay, from you coming at this house, me and my son do not have a relationship. No more. We no communicate, nothing at all. It's like if he got saying have a mother. You understand? And let me tell you something. Manners carry you through this world. You understand? Respect due to even the dog. Next thing, you no clean up nowhere. Not even for dry the broom. For your foot bottom have no feelings. You no feel no dirt, no dust. When you walk on the tile, how the place feel uncomfortable. Not even the bed where you sleep in and you do not spread. I say you lie down in it, I say you get up out of it. You cannot live like that. You have to change your ways. This they go on too much now, man. And a matter of fact, I wish man want no nasty woman.
Your son.
Something wrong with my son, that's why my son gone there with you. No disrespect.
Me not try disrespect you neither, you know. You can't tell your son because told me here you talk and I counteract with me. Now look like a day you want your son for there with. Me come here 2 times and it's only on weekend. And you expect me to clean the whole house? No, I am not working with you guys. When me I leave, me spread the bed at all the time. The bread need to be spread because when me come, I rest, me come rest.
At one part I also walk in.
Yeah. Me not even want to see you. You realize anytime I day here hardly come out?
I am a sick person. Why
So
should
be
I walk
sick.
around and look and take up everything when you drop a ground?
Act
Yeah, baby?
sick. Why you don't act sick? You not behave like you're sick.
Me not argue with you. You see, if I when me dey pan me pee and me cue, you talk to me like that, so disrespectful, I would have shut your box. But I will calm down myself because of my son. But alright. One.
Don't do it again. Do not do it again. I might maybe change your medication.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening.
You alright? You cook?
Yes, me cook. But I want to talk to you about your girlfriend. I mean, I want she here when me dey talk to you and it go cause some problem. So come around here so when me talk to you.
What no, mommy?
She full of too much attitude and she not have no manners.
What she do now, mommy?
Imagine me sit down right on the veranda there so and me swear say she not blind. And if you see how she pass me like I am nobody or me invisible.
Mommy, you know I really think you're exaggerate. Cause she's a nice girl. Me and her go out and she not show me no sign like that, mommy. I think you just need to just relax. Me know you're overprotective of me and I understand. I'm a love you, mommy. But I think you're over exaggerate. Mommy, last night was a rough night at work. I'm tired. I'm just tired.
Remember say me sick. No burden down my shoulder. My son, a 1,000,000 times me dey go tell us say me love you and you is my only son. And that the life there, me no like him. Me no want any of them they kind of live it there. You understand?
Mommy, me understand.
I am going to tell you something now, so you better listen good. Open up your eyes and look out for the red flags then. Because that girl, I do not trust her. Me not trust her a bit. Something about that girl when me can't see. But something is wrong. I mean, I think say she's the right girl for you, but guess what? I cannot choose for you. Me just put you up on the line. Make you understand life. You are young, but me know say you're sensible. So think first. Think first. You understand? Me no like how she stay. The girl nasty, she not clean, she not no manners, nothing good out of that girl. And no quarrel me, quarrel no my son. And nobody go say nothing to her because me can't take a problem. Understand? I do not hate her. But me just tell her what she dey do and how she stay and I don't like her attitude. I just that me call her to tell her. I go finish take up the clothes down.
Alright, mommy. Alright. Me hear what you say and me take what you say into consideration. But I'm tired. What are you cooking there?
A soup.
Alright.
Try and help yourself in the kitchen.
Alright.
Shay,
Yes, ma'am?
good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay, well, this is Bishop Blair, all right? I want you to take very good care of him. And please remember, he is the bishop for the new United Church of God, all right?
Yes, miss.
And do not say a word when he leaves this door. That is it. You've never met him before, all right?
Yes.
Very good. Bishop Blair, this is my best girl, alright?
What?
Shay, please take him to the altar.
To the who?
To the altar.
You have an altar here too?
Yes, we do.
Wow. Mommy, in a day, you know. You alright?
You know, so I'm not alright. I feel sick from morning. You see how me I sweat? Oh God, I need some medication. More you have to buy some medication for me because the one them we did buy the last time them finish.
Mommy, we don't really have no money right now because I'm my baby birthday and me have to carry her out to them. Have to carry her out. I have to carry her out. Me don't have no money. Me don't have no money right now. Her birthday, me don't want to spoil her day.
Why you want to spoil me, dear? Out of every other day, I told you the truth, you see. I make you wicked, so. When I see me in this already, you come out and lay down, but you see. Not no, dear, you know? You have to stop it, man.
Alton, so you rather fi carry your girlfriend go a party, go spend lots of money, than buy the medication give me to make me feel better so you rather me dead then?
Mommy, man. Mommy, you're not dead by the time I come back, mommy, man. Mommy, just relax now. No. Mommy, you're not dead by the time I come back. Me soon come, me just have bring her go have dinner and come back, mommy.
Alton, remember I'm your mother and it's only one mother you have.
Mommy.
And this girl that you bring inside my house is like you bring her in here to come and kill me before time. This girl is a Jezebel from
Mommy,
hell.
stop judge her. Just, mommy, listen to me. Stop now, mommy. Look at my girlfriend, look how she look good and you see him and tell me, say, me forget one good woman, mommy. Stop judge her. Stop, just stop judge her. She's a very nice girl, mommy. She's very nice. She's nice to me and me happy, mommy.
I wish her heart did clean and look like her outside.
Mommy, inside her clean, mommy. Just stop judge her, please. She's a very nice girl. Just get to know her now.
The sweet God, that's why when you reach certain age, God put another condition here. You know what I do. Because God take it best and let it wicked like on upon the earth. God enjoy me do ya. Come babes.
Alton, I want to talk to you. Right now, I need to talk to you right now. Which part you there? Alright, hurry up and come. Now wait for you. What you say? No man, just hurry up and come. I need to talk to you. Right now. Alright.
Hi, honey. Alright. Wow. Alright?
Yeah.
8:30?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Inside.
Alright. So come here.
Yeah. Go on now.
Mommy. I want to make a songs up on the phone. Okay. You alright?
That girl where you bring in at this house, finish your house, when me sweat and work so hard for all my life. That the girl there, she no welcome in this house. Me think I did one good girl. That the girl they not deserve you, my son.
So what should do make you attack some mommy?
You know, say me go outside. If you go sit down on the veranda when me go out there, me see the girl a smoke.
Me not smoke.
Remember, say me sick, I am a sick person. You need to tell her, say me sick. Me can't take the smoking. And that no good and me not allow them. There's something there in this house and you know that.
You know, she smoke, you know. And upon the veranda, she there, mommy. At least upon the veranda, she there. She think she respect her enough to go upon the veranda. So, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, man. But me I talk to her. Make she go outside, go smoke more.
I know them the type of girl them me tell you fi look. I know so me grow you. Me grow you better than that.
But mommy, I use some find one girl I'm like. I like her. She's a very nice girl. Despite such a smoke, she's a very nice girl. I'm really like her, mommy.
Nice girl, but she nasty. Nice and nasty don't go together.
I mean,
You
she
know,
not,
say the other day, actually, me never tell you. The other day when me go in the bathroom, every drawers she take off, then fling down in every corner of the bathroom. I cannot live like that. You forgot to me sick?
mommy, you sure say I don't drop in there?
Me now walk around and pick up no girl drawers. I'm not a drawers collector. Me no want you to be with them the kind of woman there.
With all your respect, if you don't want in there with me, can you be with your son, Miss Candy?
But Lord of mercy.
Cause when I sit down there chat me about when me left in the bathroom coming on the you know see a mistake. Do not touch me. Don't touch
Relax,
me.
mommy,
Cause
see
yeah,
where
your
you
mama there
mommy,
chat me.
Come.
What you feel like?
So your cousin, mommy. Relax now. Relax. Me, the same mommy, I tell her about this.
Look for me, brother.
Babe, what you know? Listen. Mommy not so right. She depend on medication. I mean, I tell her, she's not like this. And I'm sorry. I'm going to talk to her.
No do her. Nothing don't do her. And you in there, she insult me, you realize the mouth like you're not saying nothing, you don't do to defend me. But that's what I don't like dealing with in-law, you know. I don't like in-law business, you know.
go talk to
Cause
her.
my last man, in-law, did dead, you know, that's why I'm glad saying he dead.
Babe, just, I'm going to talk to her, please. Mommy, you see? Sometimes you have to know how to talk to people, you know. I know say you have nothing good in your mouth to say to people, but sometimes you have to relax and take it down slow, mommy. Because she no grow good, you know. Obviously, she no grow good. But better you talk to she than to talk to me, mommy. That come like a conflict of interest now, mommy. You can't do this something there.
I don't used to this nastiness where you bring in my house. I know so me grow you. So if you know say so she stay, why you not make she go back home to her parents?
Mommy, she will change, mommy. She's obvious, mommy. Just give her a little time, mommy. I really like her, mommy. I think you should apologize to her.
Apologize? I don't apologize to nastiness. Listen to me now. You is my son and I don't grow you like that. You have to take her back to her parents. Me no want it in here.
Mommy, relax now, mommy.
Hold on.
Relax.
You listen. You need to listen because this thing will get too bad now. You understand? You need to talk to her. Because if she continue, fling down her dirty drawers them all over the place in the bathroom, which I can't stand it. You understand? I am not a helper. Remember, say me sick. And what about my medication them? Them finish, you know.
Mommy,
Me
not
tell
sure.
you, say if you buy them back, you all know you not buy them back. Me not understand.
Mommy.
It's not like I don't love people, children. I love everybody, children. Everyone, children, I love. But me have to tell you about her because me not like them something here. Look from when my medication done. You not pay me no mind. You not do nothing at all. Me not understand. What they want?
Mommy, nothing now go on now. I know some me always have a pill, but nothing now go on, mommy. But you me think say what you do a while ago was totally wrong, mommy. It was so wrong.
So Alton, you put your girlfriend over me, your mother will birth you?
Mommy, just listen to man, just let it go now, mommy. Just let it go, please. Cause I really this a call me off very good for. Eh? The man, mommy, me can't believe that the man call me off very good for, mommy. The call you could have just talked to her, you know, mommy. You never have to do this, mommy. No, this me have to
I tell you to
me
look
have to
a
fix this
decent girl.
between you, me have to fix that.
I tell you to look a decent girl. I never tell you to look them type of girl there.
Mommy, what wrong with her? I know she want like an improvement. I am working on it. It's gonna take a while, but me I work on it, mommy. Just mommy, please, mommy. We can't manage it, but stress. We can't manage it, mommy. Mommy, I love you, mommy. You're my mother, but we can't manage it, but stress. I really can't do it.
I need some rest. I'm going to lie down.
I'm gonna end up, man. Me have when I go for more. Babe, you see this YouTube channel what them have quack quack on Paradise Station. What's it? Quack quack quack. Quack quack, mother.
So this a girl that said so.
The girl have man and look where you walk.
And that me I wonder.
Everyone then tick a bush.
Man really not part no man.
Oh my God.
How your name? Belly and Bang.
Belly and Bang TV.
She crying do her. We can't manage that. So don't light up this.
Babe, me never do this, you know. You can't even make my mother. See me do this.
Come man, try light up it first. You open up this just. Babe, you have to take a little time, you see? You have to dry in here. Soak in it for a bit. Let it back out. All the meds, no man, meds the weed. Because it talk to you too, you know. Talk back to it. Not let out this so quick. Go on here again. All the meds with it. Talk back to it.
What is the tweet?
No man, you don't have to reply. It a talk to you. No talk back to it, just answer. Yes, babe. That is it. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, to talk to you. Yes, babes.
How about going here, so?
Bobby, take a job.
Mommy, not your time.
I want to him.
Take a job.
Hello.
Cool out,
I am not speaking to you.
Mommy, cool out.
What wrong with me, son? What happened to you?
Not do him.
Mommy.
Not do him.
Oi.
Oh, no.
What is in your hand?
Cool out.
So you're really out here, so sit down. I smoke on my veranda with your woman?
Mommy. Come on, mommy. I'm a big man.
Yes.
I am old enough to smoke. I am old enough to smoke, mommy. I love you. Go inside.
No, something wrong with my son. What you do to my son?
Not with Miss Candy.
Maui, you need to get up and come inside because I want to talk to you. You is no different
You're
from
sick,
me.
you don't remember, say you're sick. You want to catch gaita? Stop it and go inside, go lay down and weed.
Me sick, yes. But that no mean so if you sit down out here so they smoke. I don't know say it will affect me. And you should have known better because you know used to smoke around me.
Did you
But you
take
look like
your
this girl turning
medication,
an idiot.
woman?
Medication? You know how long me tell us if you buy it because it's finished? You don't have no money every day all of a sudden. You take it to buy weed.
Don't do that. Do not do that. And me buy me weed and it's good for me. So go on inside and nobody inhaling too much of this.
So to me sick. Me must make you and my son smoke and make it affect me worse.
Mother,
so hospital don't want me reach.
Alright, come and be carrying a back room.
Oh, sit down.
No.
See
Mom.
how me want come out here so God give me the strength. God will give me the strength to go around but me can't believe say you a foul person bring woman in my house to come smoke. The tone is one of a kind. Don't worry about it. Me sick and God will help me. You don't have no money to buy me medication, but the Lord will provide.
Two of a kind. Two of a
It's a
kind.
shame and disgrace to me.
Two of a kind, mommy. Two of a kind. Oh yeah, babe. One of that. One of the same.
How much you get in here, then?
I'm not doing nails do right now.
Right.
In the next week, about $6,000 to do it.
6,000?
Mm-hmm.
Like when I cram in my back, you know.
Like half for me, man. My friend when they say I can buy me a couple suit of clothes.
But babes, you know, see a monthly me get paid. What you talking about?
Every time I get one money, I spend it for your mother.
But she's sick, and you know this.
But when people reach a certain age, if you make them rest away.
You're not serious.
Yeah.
You could have never serious. Take it back. Because you could have never seriously said that. What if you said them something? Okay, now, dear.
Black art, white art, color. Any art just give me.
Welcome, cuz.
Hey, there, boy.
Good evening.
Evening, brother. Cuz, I have something I want to talk to you about differently.
Alright, babes.
Why not?
Yeah, come.
I know why your wife up that.
Huh?
A girl was sell front up a pink house that.
What that about, man?
The whole neighbor buy Franny. Then the girl sell front like flying. Take it from me, I'll be buy some too.
Where that about? Brother, that the girl a restaurant she work. Restaurant work she do. Night shift. 24-hour restaurant she say she work. So don't tell me nothing. A lie, a wrong somebody you talk about. You think me either go take up one girl we do them and you look for me?
Listen what me I say. Restaurant where? 24/7 where? A pink house. She a walk. No tell her, I say, me tell her that though. But me I say, it's a bad girl to take up. Every man see a road. The way you do cause.
Brother, stop them foolishness. I don't bother make mine make she hear I chat them sit them you.
It's a cause.
That really I saw that come
No, I said, we can look you for. But my friend, when we see her, cause we are doing it here. You want people laugh off of you.
Brother, stop telling me nonsense, brother.
You don't believe me?
Brother, just I read.
You don't believe me? Alright, go and ask
Brother,
her. I'm not bother want me come link you for. Go and ask her. Go and ask her.
Let's see you do I go on here.
Go and like talk.
How you calling Keva? See how look so? I can smell shit.
You can ask something?
Partner?
When I say I leave here at daytime, nighttime, which way you go?
What do you mean, which one we go?
Yeah, which way you go? Like, you say you're going to work and you say you work at a restaurant.
Yeah.
Restaurant. At nighttime.
Nighttime, daytime.
What kind of restaurant that day?
Don't have choice.
Don't have choice.
Our.
What you sell there? Food.
Yeah, we no sell a restaurant, no food and drinks and so.
More access something. I'm going to be total honest with you. My cousin just tell me say she's him see a pink house. Something goes on? A sell front.
How many pink house? Like when I was
Shay.
pink.
Shay. Cut the crap. Is it true that you do?
Man, you take pressure on my brain now, man.
Me just ask you a question though.
You want to know the truth?
Yes.
You want to know? If I was working at a restaurant, I'm gonna get multiple wigs to put on my head. I do escort services with top class, man.
What that mean? What that mean, Shay? Shay, what that mean?
Stop being like an idiot.
Shay. I guess my mother was right.
Everything you talk about your mama, how your mama reaching at this?
You don't even understand what I go through my head right now. My mother was really right. Say you wasn't the one, and you really isn't the one. Okay, things say me would I really take up a girl or do them something, eh?
Alright, mama's boy.
Mama's boy. Best thing you do, you just take up your stuff them. Better it. Stairs. Leave.
I am going to leave your place, mama's boy.
Shay, leave.
Mama's boy. favor me, nobody like me. Why? Go on by your business. I shall poison you and your mama.
Eh. Our cause to make you read Bible. What happened to you?
Mommy, I think I owe you a big apology. Something happened today, and I really owe you an apology. A big apology. Like, you was right about Shay, you know. You was right about Shay, and honestly, me can't tell you what she do, but me have to run her out today. I have to run her away, like literally. It come to my nerves, it come. Mommy, I am sorry that me never believe in her. I believe what you said about her, and you was right all along. I'm right all to you, mommy. Like, me really never ready for a relationship, and me think say she was the one, and it end up that she's not. And me that never, mommy, I promise, me that never make nothing come between me and you again, mommy. Like, seriously. Me feel so like a fool, mommy. Me sorry for make she really stand up and make she deal with her like that, mommy. I'm really sorry, but because you know, a long time you know in our relationship, and she just come and me just did blind by the whole relationship thing, mommy.
No worry yourself, my son. We all do make mistakes. Me forgive you and me understand. But you believe in a God?
Yeah.
You better. Because it's like I go to my bed and it come to my mind say that relationship not going to work out. You know where me coming from? Remember say me sick, you know, but God give me the strength to walk go down on my church sister yard. And you we don't did talk about with your woman. After we done talk about you, me and her start pray about the situation in your relationship. You see, God answer prayer. Now me come back and say the read Bible. Boy, you have to give your life to God. And I love you and I forgive you. And don't worry yourself. You is my son. Nobody can come between us. You understand? So just forget about that. Girl come and girls go. You will get a better girl than that one. One neither one go come in your life. You hear what I say?
Thanks, mommy.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. I go freshen up now because I'm tired. I sit down there in the library whole time with her. I best her sister.
You feel better?
I feel like stronger, you know, but not so fully, you know. Yes. She did give me a little food on her yard, so I have to go take my medication, you know. Alright.
If you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means you have watched the video to the end. So thank you very much for watching. We do appreciate each and every individual who take the time out to sit, watch these videos, share them up, tell a friend to tell a friend, and also to subscribe. Alright, there are a few things that I would love to say before I come off of the camera. Alright, thank those persons who have donated, whether through cash, whether through kind, whatever medium you went through to donate. Thank you very much. And if you have not donated as yet, please link up on Instagram. Make me know say Richard, we like what I do and we want to support it, because these are some of the ways the country on a whole in terms of Jamaica is going to grow. Because I don't know if you see it, but us over here, where they on the grassroots level and I put in some work in terms of from a community based aspect, we realize where Jamaica ahead in terms of the crime, in terms of the poverty, in terms of the education. So guess what? We need your help to help Jamaica to grow. And this what we're doing in terms of creating movies and making movies a reality in Jamaica. It's something that can benefit the country in terms of getting more individuals involved and to see if we can go internationally. So please contribute, man. I know some people might say, yo, we hardly out of the pandemic, we don't really have no money, but is even if $1 send it, man, we appreciate it. We thank you very much for the support one on one with. And this video, hopefully we can get it for post. I'm doing this video on Saturday, but hopefully we can post it Sunday, which is Lexi's funeral. So please remember to keep the family, Lexi's family, in our prayers, because you don't know them need it the most. So we'll drop it tomorrow, and you don't know at the end of the video, we might just write something say a tribute to Lexi. Big up on yourself, continue to support what we do. And remember, when you can super chat the video, so super chat the video, that's also a part of bringing in revenue. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for the support that you guys have been giving. Big up every individual who is a part of the production team in terms of acting, in terms of filming process, in terms of editing. Big up to every single person. Big up to Fire, big up to Kira, big up to Amanda, big up to Alton, Juta, Candy, Popeye, every single person, Shakaberry, anybody we not mention no name, I don't know. I just start me a freestyle, so we might not remember everybody's name, but thank you guys for all the hard work everybody has been putting in, and this is just something that we love doing and we're trying to make it a full reality. So big up on yourself and thank you guys.